Hello?
Hello.
Oh, hi. Hi. Should I take my shoes off?
Yeah, it's a little snowy, so.
Okay, yeah.
I waited till mine dry off. So. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Good.
My husband's watching the Vikings probably lose, so.
No, they won.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, it's all done?
Yeah, they won 31-0.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we actually played a decent game. What do you know?
Very cool, very cool. Yeah, I'm kind of just taking a break from the football people and taking a look. So yeah, we're renting right now. We just got relocated for, my husband got a new job. And so we're looking forward to finding something nice.
Oh yeah, well welcome. Where did you move from?
Wisconsin.
Oh,
Yeah.
You're familiar with Minneapolis?
A little bit, yeah. So tell me about the house.
Yeah, well, first of all, I'm Matt, by the way. So.
Okay, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Sheila.
Sheila, nice to meet you too. We grab a flyer here.
Okay, thanks.
I'll tell you, I'm not the listing agent.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know everything about the house. I'm not even in the same brokerage. So
Okay.
my wife and I, we call the Charleston Collective. We've been living in this area and focusing on this area since 2014. So we kind of specialize in helping buyers in this area, learn about the market, learn about the inventory, the homes.
Cool.
So we pick homes like these to hold open because sometimes there's agents that don't want to hold homes open and maybe some issues with the homes.
Oh,
so
okay.
so this is a flip.
Uh-huh.
It was bought actually in like July for $500,000.
Okay.
And it's back on right now at $799,000, so basically $800,000.
Mm-hmm.
And I know that they've done pretty good work. You know, they did the flooring, looks like they did the kitchen, but they left a lot of other things undone.
Okay.
You know? So there's a lot of original charm still, but they're counting about 400 square feet finished in the lower level here, and they have not yet finished it.
Okay.
So it's still a construction zone down there.
Okay.
So if you go down there, you can put your shoes back on or pop your head down.
Yes.
You usually don't put a home on the market until it's done. So I think they just must have felt, I don't know, financial pressure or the pressure of the season to get it on the market, because this is generally kind of the slowest time, around Minneapolis for homes. And to sell it top dollar, you want this home to be done.
Right.
And you want it kind of to be spring too, but you just put it on the market and they haven't had a lot of attention, and people are looking for it to be finished because it's a 3-bed, 2-bath home, but that bathroom isn't finished in the lower level.
Okay.
It's not even, basically not even started. So there's no bathroom on the main level, there's one on the second, and there's a third floor too, like a loft space.
Okay.
So it's a really cute home. It's in Linden Hills, where the average home price in the last 365 days is $944,000.
Oh, okay.
So they're definitely pricing for the neighborhood. 5 years ago, Linden Hills was $721. So it's a great place to buy if you can get in here at the right price.
I've heard good things.
You'll get great equity potential. But all the neighborhoods around here, Fulton, Lyndhurst, East Harriet, Tingletown, very, very hot area. They're all going up in price. Fulton's $594 in 2020, $796 right now. $633 for Lyndhurst, it's $828 right now. This is just like, well, you want to make some money on your home, get some equity, buy in this area. But it's very competitive, and it's very you need a good agent to get you the right home at the right price and basically get your foot in the door. So it's one of those markets. Now this one would be an opportunity for somebody, but I would, if I was buying it, I would write into the contract. All the lower level will be completely finished by the closing date, and we will. Pass the final walkthrough before the closing date, go through it again. It's just not something, this is what builders do. It's not what people who are selling homes, on the open market do.
And what do you mean? What when you say that? Like?
Well, builders will put a home on the market before it's finished. And then they will say, oh, you can pick your finishes on the kitchen. You can pick your finishes on the bathroom. It's priced at this, but we'll be done in 2 months. And if you pick this finish, this finish, this finish, we can get you that we can get it done in a couple months. But this one, it's on the market, and it says it's done, but it's not. So you want to be really careful. That's all. Just want to be really make sure that everything's written in the contract the right way.
Any word on when it will be done? Or?
Well, no. I thought it was done. My wife scheduled the open house. She's like, yeah, they said they were done. I go down and they haven't even hardly even moved. It's been this way for about a month. So I don't know.
Okay.
They literally have, all their tools are down there. So they're getting people in. It looks like they may have just dug up some of the concrete to get the bathroom plumbing done. So they've gotten that far. The rest of it, remains unfinished. And it's just, in my opinion, for what you get for the square footage, for the bedroom and bathroom, for the 1-car garage, a corner lot, it just seems, feels high on the price.
Oh.
Quite high, in my
Okay.
professional opinion. I just sold one in Linden Hills in 44th in
Mhm.
York, and we paid $675, and it might be better than this house. It just it had some more amenities and
Oh,
it finishes
okay.
a little bit better.
What was the address of that one?
It was 44. I'll have to look it up.
You just sold it?
Yeah,
Okay.
my client, in October, end of October. So
On what street?
it was on York
Yeah.
in 44th, so just over there.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, right off the strip. We got it for $675, and it was a 3-bed, 2-bath home as well, 2-car garage.
Your thing is that way, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So it's just right here. All right.
So this one's going to be on the market, I think, a little while at this price point.
Okay.
It's not to say I've made a lot of offers on lots of flips, and I've come in very low to start off, and usually we meet in the middle.
Ah,
I can see-
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it would be interesting.
To see what happens.
See what happens.
Over time, yeah.
Yeah.
We're just beginning to look. So I'll just
Okay.
walk around a little bit.
Yeah. Would you like to
Sound
send a sign-in sheet too?
That's okay. I think what I'll do is I'll bring my husband back. If I'll tell him what this is all about, and
Okay.
then we'll go from there.
Well, yeah.
I have your information on this sheet.
Yeah.
so-
That's my wife and I are
Okay.
phone numbers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll just take a quick tour.
Sure.
I
Yeah.
kind of left a football party, so I'm not going to stay too long.
Okay. Yep. No. And it'll be wrapping up in a few minutes here, so.
Oh, yeah.
If you
that's
guys
right.
did want to see
You're
it.
right. I just snuck in under the belt,
Yep.
so I'll make it quick. Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, cool. I think I don't mind if my socks get dirty. I'll just peek down. Maybe?
Okay. Yeah. Go
Okay.
right ahead. Of course. There's the lofted area on the 3rd floor too, so
Third
people
floor?
miss that. There's a little room off the back, and you can go up.
Thank you. Okay. I love all the woodwork.
Yeah, that's definitely the highlight of the house, I think.
Yeah. I see what you mean about it goes on and on.
Yeah. I think people see this house like it's got one bathroom now. I mean, granted that one will be done and it probably will look nice, but it's not going to sell until it's finished.
Right.
In my opinion.
Yeah. So do you know what kind of upgrades the people that are working on it did? Or-
I haven't asked them.
Oh.
Just walking through the house though, I can just feel that they maybe did some hardwood floors. They probably painted. All of the hardwood looks original. They added some light fixtures. They didn't touch the bathroom upstairs. That looks very vintage. I think maybe they put some appliances in the kitchen, and they
Okay.
might have done the countertops, but it's not
Okay.
like high end. It's kind of, maybe some windows upstairs. Maybe they've done some windows.
Okay.
But yeah, it would be one of those things we would ask the agents. We'd like to know exactly what's been done to
Right.
justify the $300,000 price increase
Right,
since the
right.
time we bought it.
Okay.
And I think that finishing the lower level was probably their main,
Focus.
objective of and getting them 800,000, just adding one bathroom.
Got it. Okay. Thank you for letting me sneak in. I know it's like closing time. So.
No, of course.
I-
Yeah,
I
and if you
got
want,
your
I've
information.
got a little packet here for you too. It's a fun little
Okay.
package, it's a little sample of our sales. My wife and I, some client reviews, and there's a magazine in there.
That's
So
nice.
if you ever
Alright.
need anything, reach out. We're pretty low pressure, but if you want to sign a sign-in sheet, we can just reach out to stay connected so you don't forget about
That's
us.
okay. I won't forget about you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for coming in.
Yep.